Now we start exercise 1.1. The first question, first to first, is equal to question: use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225. Now we solve this. Solution: here 225 is greater than 135. Now we write, since 225 is greater than 135, we apply the Euclid division algorithm to 225 and 135. We get we we know that theorem, Euclid division algorithm, this formula is A is equal to BQ plus R. This formula we apply here. Here A is equal to 225 and B is equal to 135. Now we apply this. 225 is A is equal to B 135 into BQ, Q quotient. We divide 225 by 135. In 1 times 135, 0, 9 cross. Now the quotient is 1, so we multiply by 1 plus, and we remember. Now again 335 is the place of A, 90 the place of B. Then we divide divide 90, divide 135 by 90. In 1 times 90 we get remainder 45. Now in 1 time remainder add. Again repeat this process. In the place of A 90, in the place of B 45, then we multiply 45 by 2. It means that we divide 90 by 45 in 2 times, then we get 90. Therefore the remainder is 0. So here remainder is 0. Now the process is when we get the remainder 0. Therefore HCF is equal to HCF 200, 135 and 225 is equal to 45. Answer. Now question number 2. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. Now we solve this. Solution: let A be a given positive odd integer on dividing a by 6, let q be the quotient and r be the remainder. Then by Euclid's division algorithm, we have a is equal to 6q plus r, where r is greater and equal than 0 but less than 6, implies a is equal to 6q plus r, where r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because the value of r is 0 to 5, implies a is equal to 6q plus 0 is equal to 6q, a is equal to 6q plus 1 when we putting the value of r 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again a is equal to 6q plus 2, a is equal to 6q plus 3, a is equal to 6q plus 4, or a is equal to 6q plus 5. But a is equal to 6q, a is equal to 6q plus 2, a is equal to 6q plus 4 give even value, because the even number divisible, completely divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 2, 6 is a factor of 2, then 6q is even, 6q plus 2, 6q is even, then we add 2, then we get even, 6q is even, we add 4, then we get also even. So a is equal to 6q, a is equal to 6q plus 2, a is equal to 6q plus 4 give even value. Thus even value of a. Thus when a is odd, it is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 for some integer q. That's all proved. Now question number 3. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? The maximum number of columns. Now solve this. The maximum number of columns is equal to HCF 616 and 32. Now we find HCF. Here, since 616 is greater than 32, we apply the Euclid division algorithm. To 616 and 32 to get 616 is equal to 32. Now we divide 616 by 32. We multiply 32 in one time, then we get 32. Then remainder 9 and 2, 6 is on here from offset. Now again we divide 296 by 32, then 3 9s are 27. So we multiply 9 by 30. 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, or 1 28. Now 16 8 is equal to 8. This is cross. Now we get multiply by 19, then we get remainder 8. Now here we put 32 on the place of A and 8 on the place of B. Then we divided 32 by 8. 8 4 is 32. Now in 4 times, then we get remainder 0. Therefore, hence HCF of 616 and 32 is equal to 8. Therefore, the maximum number of columns are 8, in which they can march. Answer. Question number 4. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Now solve this. This question is also solved by the question number 2. The same method we apply. The method we have used in question number 2. In this method also use this method. Now we write, let A be any given positive integer on dividing a by 3, let q be the quotient and r be the remainder. Then by Euclid's division algorithm, we have a is equal to 3q plus r, where r is greater and equal than 0 but less than 3, implies a square is equal to 3q plus r to the whole square. Now we apply the formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Therefore 3q to the whole square plus r square plus 2 into 3q into r is equal to 9q square plus r square plus 3 2 is 6 qr. Equation 1, where r is 0 and equal than 0 and greater than 0, r is equal to greater than 0, equal to 0 and less than 3. Case 1, when r is equal to 0, putting r is equal to 0 in equation 1, we get a square is equal to 9q square plus 0 square plus 6q into 0 is equal to 9q square is equal to 3 common 3q square is equal to 3m, where m is equal to 3q square. Is an integer. Case 2, when r is equal to 1, putting r is equal to 1 in equation 1, we get a square is equal to 9q square plus 1 square plus 6q into 1 is equal to 9q square plus 1 plus 6q is equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1 is equal to, we common 3. 3 3 is 9, 3q square plus 3 2 is 6, 2q and plus 1. We common in this term 3 is equal to 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 2q is an integer. Case 3. When r is equal to 2, putting r is equal to 2 in equation 1, we get a square is equal to 9q square plus 2 to the power 2 plus 6q into 2 is equal to 9q square plus 2 to the 4 plus 6 to the 12q is equal to 9q square plus 12 cube, and we write 4 in the form of 3 plus 1 is equal to, we common 3 in these 3 term, then we get 3q square plus 4q plus 1 is equal to 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1 is an integer. Hence, the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Proved. Now question number 5. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Now we solve this question. Similarly, when we solving the question 2 and 4, the same process we apply. Now let A be any given positive integer on dividing A by 3, let Q be the quotient and R be the remainder. Then by Euclid's division algorithm, we have A is equal to 3q plus R, where R is greater and equal than 0 but less than 3, implies here the question say cube. Now we cube this. AQ is equal to 3q plus R to the whole cube. a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. We use this formula here. Now we get 3 cube to the power 3 plus r to the power 3 plus 3 cube square into r plus 3 into 3 cube into r square is equal to 27 cube के power 3 plus r to the power 3 plus 27 cube square r plus 9 cube r square, equation 1, where r is greater and equal than 0 but less than 3. Case 1. When r is equal to 0, putting r is equal to 0 in equation 1, we get a q is equal to 27 q to the power 3. We common 9, 3 q to the power 3, because when we putting the value of 0, the here rq is equal to 0, this term is also 0 because here is r, and this term is also 0 because in this term is also r. So aq is equal to 27 q to the power 3 is equal to 9 common 3 q के power 3 is equal to 9m, where m is equal to 3 q to the power 3 is an integer. Case 2. Where r is equal to 1. Putting r is equal to 1 in equation 1, we get a to the power 3 is equal to 27 q to the power 3 plus 1 plus 27 q square plus 9q. We arrange this 27 q to the power 3 plus 27 q square plus 9q plus 1. We common 9 3 is 27, 3 9 3 is 27 q 3q square plus 3q to power 3 3q plus 9, the only q plus 1 is equal to 9m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q to the power 3 plus 3q square plus 3 is an integer. Case 3. When r is equal to 2, putting r is equal to 2 in equation 1, we get aq is equal to 27 q to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 8 plus 54 q square plus 36q. When we put the value of r in the equation 1, we arrange this 27 q to the power 3 plus 54 q square plus 36 q plus 8. We common 9, then 9 3 q to the power 3 plus 6 q square plus 4q plus 8 is equal to 9m plus 8, where m is equal to 3q to the power 3 plus 6q square plus 4q is an integer. Hence, the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9q or 9q plus 1 or 9q plus 8 for some integer. Now this chapter is end. Now I am giving you questions for practice. Now question for practice. Question number 1, use Euclid division algorithm to find the HC of 196 and 38,220, B 867 and 255, C 4052 and 12,576. Question number 2, so that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. Question number 3, so that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 where q is some integer. Question number 4, a sweet seller has 420 kaju barfi and 130 badam barfi. She wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number and they take up the at the least area of the tray. What is the number of that can be placed in each stack for this purpose? If you are satisfied, then please subscribe, like and share in your friend circles. I start exercise 1.2 in next video. Thanks. Good night.